Welcome back, rail fans. Today we're doing some more trackside filming in the Cincinnati area. Word had gotten around that there was a special Norfolk Southern unit coming our way, one that had been recently rebuilt after a nasty derailment just a month earlier. We set up our cameras at Beach Street in the Spring Grove Village area where it intersects with the Cincinnati Southern Railway and waited. And we didn't have to wait long. Norfolk Southern locomotive number 8099 is painted in the colors of the late Southern Railway. On December 12th of 2021, the locomotive was derailed by a rock slide near Pittsburgh. Some feared it would never return to service, but by May 9th of this year, the rebuild had been completed and the locomotive was released to service. It's now in fresh paint and pulling trains like nothing happened. While we were there, 3 locomotives on the Indiana and Ohio line, including one Ohio Central SD40, pulled a train southbound towards the junction with the Norfolk Southern track. Next, we headed across the river to Ludlow, Kentucky, where we stopped at a trestle bridge across Deverell Street. Train 28C was there, with Union Pacific 4936 and SD70M locomotive at the lead.
Yeah, well, I gotta go.
After train 28C had left, train number 188 showed up heading northbound as well.
Hey, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100 101 102 103 104 105 106 107 108 109 110 111 112 113 114 115 116 117 118 119 120 121 122 123 124 125 126 127 128 129 130 131 132 133 134 135 136 137 138 139 140 141 142 143 144 145 146 147 148 149 150 151 152 153 154 155 156 157 158
188 had to slow down as its locomotive neared the Guest Street yard, and soon number 189 was heading southbound towards us. Right as train 188 started moving again, the end of 189 came around the corner. And that concludes our day of rail fanning in the Cincinnati area. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. Also, feel free to comment and share this video with your friends. Finally, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. With that being said, that's all I've got for you today. Thank you all for watching. I'll talk to you again very soon.